Hello world, I'm Silviu, and today we are going to fix this Gorenie MMC 1500 food processor that has a startup problem. It goes off in a random manner. It powers on and it stops after a few seconds. We'll need to remove the 8 rubber feet to access the inner components. The control board has the code KM1058A1-2 or LW6819. The micro switch has a deformed command lever and it is moved out of its factory position. This was the defect for this device for not starting. Once the lever is straightened and mounted correctly, we reassemble the robot to its working state. We need to check that all the connectors and cables are aligned correctly for every board inside. We reassemble the screws and the 8 rubber feet and test. Thank you, and we'll be back with more salvaged things from the dumpster road. You can leave us a share, like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Bye bye.